Today we're going to install an under the hood DENSO first time fit cabin air filter. On the model vehicle we're going to be working on today, the cabin air filter is located on the passenger side here under the cowl. Let's begin by removing some hardware from the cowl cover. The fourth screw is located here on the side of the cowl. Now you'll use your nylon removal tool to remove the retaining clip. Next, remove the bushing on the side of the cowl cover. Now we're going to remove the cowl cover. Be sure that the cowl cover is able to clear the wiper arm. Now we're going to loosen the bolts securing the washer fluid tank. After loosening the bolts to the washer fluid tank, tilt it towards the front of the vehicle, allowing access to the cabin air filter cover. To remove the cabin air filter cover, press down on these two tabs located here and slide it out. Prior to installing the DENSO first time fit cabin air filter, verify that the airflow indicators are aligned with the proper direction of airflow. Now install the DENSO first time fit cabin air filter. Now we're going to reinstall the cabin air filter cover. Ensure that these two tabs fit down into the slots of the cabin air filter housing. Now tighten the bolts for the washer fluid tank. Now we're going to reinstall the cowl cover. After positioning the cowl cover, make sure it is properly installed under the wiper arm and on top of the existing cowl cover. Also ensure that the windshield seal is positioned on top of the cowl cover to prevent water intrusion. Next, reinstall the screws. Our final step is to reinstall the bushing.